Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Campbell Chronicles. Today we're going to bring into you another Peek into My Week episode, and today we're at Pismo Beach.
We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we.
Now sometimes when I'm on my work trips, I like to come and do things on a budget. So today we're going to show you Pismo Beach on a budget. We took an Uber ride here from our hotel. It's only about $12 to get here. Not too bad. And now we're just going to walk around Pismo, maybe do a little shopping, a little bit of dining because they got some good seafood here. For now, let's just enjoy the scenery and get a little of our beach therapy in. Let's go have some fun. Here on this channel, we're all about family, travel, and Disney. So if you value any of those things, definitely consider liking and subscribing, and let us know in the comment section if you've been to Pismo Beach before and what you think. Alright, now since we're attempting Pismo Beach on a budget, we're going to keep it under $100 for a day, so that's going to get, and we're already down $12. So basically we're trying to make the rest of the day happen for about $88. So we got to find a souvenir, we got to find something to eat, and then we also got to Uber back. So right now we're at $88 left. Let's see what we can do. Here in the candy store here, candy, chocolate, and more, you can find all kinds of bugs to eat. You have all these suckers with bugs in them. You know, this one here, that's called the worm sucker. They have crickets and all kinds of different mealworms and so on. Oh, and if you didn't want it in sucker form, you could definitely just easily get it in a box.
We're trying to get a little crazy today on our overnight. We got sour cream and onion. What else we got? We got bacon and cheese. They're actually pretty healthy. They're only 4.3 calories.
Mark, we're eating bugs. You excited about that?
I don't know about that.
Alicia ended up buying some crickets, and two different flavors. We got bacon and cheddar, and we also got sour cream and onion. I think we're gonna give them a shot here. By the way, that was $3 a piece. Now spent $18. Again, trying to stay under 100. So in my travels, I like to collect small things, magnets and stickers, that sort of thing. Here in the Kite store, I found a cool little sticker. Gotta take it home. $2. Now, since we're trying to do this on a budget, we went for one of the more economical options. We saw the sign for the world famous clam chowder. We're gonna give that a shot here. So here we have a bread bowl of clam chowder and some curly fries. Now the curly fries, I ordered a small, but they upgraded me for free for a large. I don't know why. She said, I'm sorry it took so long, so I'm guessing that's why. Let's go ahead and give this world famous clam chowder a shot. Also, just so you know that the total price of all this food, when you come to a place like this, a little bit more touristy, you're gonna be inflated prices. So all this together was $24. The clam chowder, the fries, and a bottle of Diet Pepsi. Here we go with the world famous clam chowder here. We'll give it a shot. I will say it's very creamy, which that's a good thing for me when it comes to clam chowder. Okay, that's dang good. The reason why is not only is it creamy and smooth, but the clam that I got a bite of, very good. A lot of times you get the clam chowder and everything and you need to add salt and pepper and everything like that, but this one, as is perfect. Now let's try a little bit with some bread, because y'all know bread bowls, you gotta have some bread. All right, that is seriously really good. That's a good order. So yeah, staying under a budget, come to a place like this, it's definitely more economical. But yeah, really good. All right, so this is just the curly fry here. Just looks like a normal curly fry. That's good. Good fry. And that was a really good meal. And I will say this, because of the bread and how much bread you have in there, that's gonna fill me up for the rest of the day. I'm good. That being said, it's time to try those crickets that Alicia got. Yeah, Mark volunteered to go first. So Mark, you ready for this?
Sour cream, onion.
Seconds.
More.
No,
it's not bad.
I can hear the crunch from here.
It tastes like Pringles. So,
It's not bad, huh?
not bad.
All right, that is a genuine cricket there. It was supposed to have a sour cream and onion taste. Okay, it's very airy, almost like a puff, like a cheese puff. Like you don't get much, there's no juice in it. You're not eating a juicy cricket. It does taste a little bit like sour cream, but I will say this, like the legs and it's just, you are eating a bug. So there's that, stuck in your head. but overall not as bad as I thought.
Oh, I don't want to do this, but you know what? I'm gonna do it. Oh, that went to my wing.
Fell into the wings.
Cheers. It doesn't taste bad, knowing what you're eating.
Yes.
It's a very
Oh, yeah,
big
true.
mental thing.
That's what it is, yeah.
But yeah, it's like a
You gotta try
stale
more.
chip.
Alright, I seriously think it would be a crime if you came to the beach without actually stepping foot on the beach. So yeah, it's time for a little bit of beach therapy. I love it. The wind, the smell, everything. Got my hat on backwards because the wind's gonna blow my hat off.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing.
We're back at the gift shop that we first started at, and I can't really pass up a good souvenir. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this, some little commemorate the trip here. It's a long sleeve with the Pismo Beach up and down the side. So for $23, it's gonna leave us about $9 for a snack. All right, we found a place here that the smell, Old West cinnamon rolls. You just can't pass it up. We waited in line for about 10 minutes, and yeah, we're gonna get some. And guess what? We made it out of there with $9 even. Not only did I get a cinnamon roll, but I actually got some extra mix to bring home with us for $9. All right, so the plan is now we got a Lyft taking us back to the hotel. This time it was about another $12, so $12 each way from our hotel. That is something that you might be able to knock off your budget when you come here to Pismo Beach, because depending on where you stay here, it's about $24 round trip for us. That's pretty good. We're gonna take these cinnamon rolls back to the hotel and eat them there, and we're also gonna catch the sunset there.
We'll be okay.
All right, it's been said by a local or a Lyft driver that these are the best cinnamon rolls here, so let's give them a shot. That looks really good though. Very, like the cream cheese frosting on there. Okay, that's a good cinnamon roll. I'm not much of a nut guy, so I don't really go for like the walnuts and almonds, but just the plain old cinnamon roll with cream cheese frosting, that's really good. All right, those were some pretty dang good cinnamon rolls. I would say on a scale between 1 and maybe Cinnabon, they were actually better than a Cinnabon because they had a really nice crispy baked goods edge, but the center was definitely warm and very gooey. So definitely love those cinnamon rolls. Now I just added everything up today, and really we beat our budget. We were supposed to come in under $100, and we did. It was $91. That's pretty good, and I just left room in case somebody, you know, maybe wanted a drink or something, but we really never got to that point. Also, that bread bowl, that bread sourdough filled me up for the day. So I really didn't need anything else besides that and a snack. So I'm actually pretty happy with where things ended. Also, one thing I didn't include was the hotels, because hotels are going to vary, especially when you come down over here to San Luis Obispo, Pismo Beach area. There's a lot of different hotels, and they're going to vary in price. And so it's really not fair for me to include a hotel and cost of stay, and just know that with my Peak of the Week series, this is usually where work takes me, so you guys get to see a little bit of what I do. So hotels, it really isn't fair for me to include that, but you definitely can make a day at Pismo Beach under $100, which is very nice, very exciting, including transportation. But now it's time to head down and watch the sunset. It's getting to that magic hour. Let's go down to the coast and watch that sunset by some tide pools. This is definitely one of my favorite places as far as overnights goes, honestly, because of the beach and the tide pools. I love coming down here exploring the tide pools. I've seen fish, I've seen crabs, I've seen octopus in these tide pools right here by our hotel. It's really fun to see, but aside from that, it's just more beach therapy. Honestly, it's just, there's something nice and relaxing about coming out here to the beach and just listening to the waves, watching for wildlife, and just relaxing. It's just really fun.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
and what an absolutely amazing sunset that was. Just, you can't beat it. A little bit of beach therapy, hearing those waves, hearing the wind and the sea life and just all the animals and just the water and everything. It's just so nice. Thank you for joining us today, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure having you aboard for another Peek into My Week episode here in San Luis Obispo and Pismo Beach. I'm glad we were able to show you what it's like to do Pismo Beach under $100. It was nice to have a little extra, $9 flex in case you wanted a drink or something. That was really nice. If anything was of value that you saw today, definitely like and subscribe to our channel. It would definitely help us out and help our channel grow. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you real soon. And remember, adventure is out there.
Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move.